Good morning, students. Let's continue chapter 7. Today's topic is exercise 7.2. Students, randomly I have been taken some questions of exercise 7.2. Okay, you solve all questions. If you have doubt, you can ask. Now start question number 12. Okay, find the integration of function. So for this, here x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 and x raised 5. Okay, so put first you can take I is equal to this. Now x cube minus 1 is equal to t. Then differentiating, okay, you will get 3x square dx is equal to dt. Okay, and now x square dx is equal to dt by 3. That's why the integration becomes here x cube minus 1, it's a t. So it's a t is 1 by 3. Okay, it's x 5. So we can break this x square into x cube. In place of x square dx, I am writing dt by 3 and x cube is t plus 1. Okay, understood? Means break x5 as x cube into x square. Okay, then x cube is t plus 1 and x square is with the dx dt by 3. Okay, and now apply the method of integration. So you have here 1 by 3, okay, multiply t raised 1 by 3 with the bracket. It is t into 1 by 3 plus 1 plus t raised 1 by 3. Okay, dt. Now integration is here 1 by 3, okay, it is t raised 4 by 3. Okay, so plus 1 you will get 7 by 3 and here also 7 by 3. Okay, plus t raised, it is 1 by 3 plus 1 means 4 by 3. Okay, in the denominator, so 4 by 3 plus c and here it is bracket student. Okay, since 1 by 3 is outside. Now simplify, you will get 1 by 7 t raised 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, 3 will cancel, t raised 4 by 3 plus c. Now substitute the value of t. Here t is equal to x cube minus 1 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 cube minus 1 4 by 3 plus c. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Now move for the next question, question number 18. Here students, for question number 18, put tan inverse x is equal to t. Okay, so that 1 by 1 plus x square dx, it is dt. Okay, differentiating both sides with respect to t, you write here. Okay, differentiating with respect to x. Now the question becomes e raised tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. It is integration e raised t and this whole part dx by 1 plus x square, it is dt. Okay, now apply the formula. Integration of e raised t, it's as it is e raised t here plus c. Now write the value of t. Here t is tan inverse x plus c. This is the answer. Now move for the next question, question number 19. So for this Student, question is e raised to 2x minus 1. Here e raised to 2x plus 1. So first divide numerator and denominator, okay, by e raised x. Okay, so it is e raised to x minus 1 divided by e raised x, same as in a denominator e raised to x plus 1, here e raised x. Okay, now simplify, you will get e raised x from here. Okay, and it is minus 1 by e raised x, means minus e raised minus x. Okay, and here e raised to x divided by e raised x, so you will get e raised x, and from this term 1 by e raised x, it is e raised minus x. Okay, so now our question is this, we have to integrate this question. Okay, now integration of e raised x minus e raised minus x by e raised x plus e raised minus x dx. Okay, so students, take e raised x plus e raised minus x as t. Okay, now differentiating, you will get e raised x minus e raised minus x dx is equal to dt. Okay, since derivative of e raised minus x, first write as it is e raised minus x, and then derivative of minus x, it is minus 1. Okay, so here it is minus. Now that integration becomes, it is dt. Okay, and here it is t. Apply the formula, it is log mod of t plus c. Now substitute the value of t. T is e raised x plus e raised minus x, okay, plus c. This is the answer. Okay, question number 33, students, it is 1 by 1 minus 10x. Okay, so first let I is equal to integration 1 by 1 minus 10x. Okay, now students, change the 10x into sin and cos form. So it is 1 by 1 minus, here 10x is sin x by cos x. Now take LCM, you will get here cos x upon cos x minus sin x. Okay, now we have to arrange this term. Okay, so I am here multiplying by 2 and divide by 2. So it is 2 cos x by cos x minus sin x dx. Okay, write in the bracket, multiply and divide by 2. Okay, so here it is 1 by 2. Now arrange the 2 cos x. We can write here cos x minus sin x. Okay, then plus cos x plus sin x. Okay, and in the denominator write as it is, it's cos x minus sin x. Okay students, if you simplify this, you will get 2 cos x only. Okay, now by the terms, you will get 1 by 2 integration of, if you take it cos x minus sin x by cos x minus sin x, it is a 1 only. Okay, plus here cos x plus sin x, in the denominator it's cos x minus sin x. Okay, and dx write as it is. Now 1 by 2. Okay, integration of dx plus here integration of cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x dx. It is 1 by 2. Integration of dx is x plus, here student see, derivative of cos x, it's minus sin x. Okay, if you are taking here cos x minus sin x as t, okay, then derivative is minus sin x and here minus cos x dx is equal to dt. It means that derivative of this denominator is exists in numerator, but we have to take only minus sign. Okay, so we can write here it's minus log. Direct I am writing the integration. In the previous questions I have been explained this, that you substitute this and then find the answer. It is cos x minus sin x, okay, plus c. Simple. This is the answer of this question. Now student, move for the next question. Question number 34. Question is under root tan x, here it is sin x into cos x dx. Okay, first divide and multiply this whole term by cos x. Okay, so you will get here under root tan x x sin x cos x. Okay, multiply by cos x and divide cos x. Okay, so it is under root tan x as it is. Here it is cos square x and 1 by cos square x, it is sec square x, and this sin x upon cos x becomes here tan x dx. Okay, in the next step it is sec square x by under root tan x dx. Okay, now take tan x as t, so it is sec square x dx, it is dt. Okay, the next step integration is here it is sec square x dx, it's dt, and in the denominator 1 by root t. Now student, integration of it's t raised minus 1 by 2 dt. Okay, so apply the formula of x raised n. You will get t raised 1 by 2 and here in the denominator 1 by 2 plus c. Now substitute the value of t. T is tan x. So you will get 2 under root tan x. Okay, plus c. This is the answer of this question. And now I am going to solve question number 37. Question is integral of x cube, here sine, in bracket it's tan inverse x raised 4. Okay, and in the denominator 1 plus x raised 8 dx. So first here put tan inverse x raised 4 as t. Okay students, and now differentiating, you will get differentiation of tan inverse x. It is 1 by 1 plus x squared. Here in the place of x it is x raised 4. So you will get x raised 4 squared. And now derivative of x4, it is 4x cube. Okay, dx is equal to dt. So students, here x cube dx by 1 plus x raised 8 is equal to dt by 4. Okay, so now substitute this in the given question. You will get I is equal to x cube dx by 1 plus x raised 8. It is a dt by 4. Okay, and here it is a sin t. So you will get sin t dt by 4. 1 by 4 take outside. Integration of sin t, it is minus cos t plus c. Now minus 1 by 4 cos. Substitute the value of t, it is tan inverse x raised 4 plus c. This is the answer. This exercise ends here, students. There are some questions I have been taken. You solve all questions. If you have doubt, can ask me.